Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can find your channel ID on YouTube mobile. So the first step you need to do is to open any browser and search for the YouTube, and then you simply need to click on you need to enter youtube.com with that so that we are on the browser. So here you need to click on account, and then you need to select browser, click on just once. So once you are on that window, you simply need to click on your profile picture here, and in the bottom you can see an option of settings. Click on that. So once you are here, you simply need to click on advanced settings, and here you can find your user ID. You simply need to copy that. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.